Hey, Biscuits. Come along. We do dishes together. I always kind of want a dishwashing buddy, right? That is something that if I could snap my fingers or create a robot or something, I would love to have somebody that just chat with me while I do all my dishes. Oh, in case you're wondering, what I do is I clean these mason jars by jiggling them. It just works the fastest. I realize it's eccentric. I haven't told this. So I thought, hey, come along. We're going to tidy. We're going to dance to some music. We're going to chat about our day. Oh, yeah. How has your day been going? I love our Sundays spent cleaning and tidying and just feeling good about the world. Because when I have a clean house, I really do feel better about the world. I feel better about, you know, it doesn't matter if I have just had a book published or if I'd had a record viral video or if my son has done something amazing academically. You know, without a clean house, I will still feel like I have not gotten done what I should have gotten done. And maybe that I need to learn to take joy in being calm a little bit, which I've been trying to do more of late. But cleaning, it makes me happy. It does. It makes me feel like I've done a good thing for the day, no matter what else I've been doing. So I hope your Sunday is going beautifully. I have had a big old day of entertaining the little monkey, trying to do some yard work, trying to get some work done. I was having all sorts of technical issues this last week, and I think it was updates and stuff. What's that? What's that, my darling? Oh. Okay. Trying to keep the little one entertained, and with all of the yard work that I had, and then the technical glitches. I think it was some kind of update things, like the updates had to be fixed or something. You know, not of things I made, just the technology I used. So this week has kind of felt like banging my head against the wall a lot, and it's nice to have some stuff, hopefully, you know, knock wood, be working better. Oh yeah, so we made, the reason I'm cleaning out my blender is because I used it. Whoa, Rose, whoa, you don't say. No, we made homemade popsicles. I had some watermelon. I mean, I still do have some slices, but some of the slices were way too ripe. And so what I did was toss them in with some frozen bananas and some yogurt and some milk, and I made popsicles that my son just loves and are actually really healthy, sugar-free. They're really good for him, and it's so nice to have something that he'll eat as a treat that is actually good for him. I love it. I like to use either Greek honey yogurt or Nancy's is a really good brand of full-fat yogurt that I like to buy. Nancy's, if you're listening, sponsor my video. I love your yogurt. I know. I always think that's silly when YouTubers say that. But it does cross my mind when I really love something. I'm like, man, wouldn't that be the perfect partnership? You've probably noticed I don't do a lot of sponsored content on here. And that is because mainly I'm very persnickety about anybody I'll work with. And I'd rather just chat with you lovely biscuits and work on Patreon and my books on my merch. So it seems like the most honest, authentic way to support the channel, but in ways that are things that I really enjoy and love and think that you'll enjoy and love, if that makes sense. You know, instead of ad hocking you all the time with other people's wares. Not that there's anything wrong with that. It's just kind of the direction I decided to shift my channel in. I was wondering why the water wasn't draining. Beautiful biscuits. There was a seashell in my sink. I'm gonna let you guess. One guess who fed it there. Oh, wrong. It wasn't. It was not me. Second guess. The basil plant over there. No, it wasn't the basil plant or me. get into kind of the big mixing bowls and pans and stuff. I've been doing a lot of baking and cooking the last 2 days. And I'll admit it, I leave the bowl in there for a day or two. I do, without regrets, because sometimes when mommy has baked and cooked, I don't know, 7, 8, 9, 10 meals in the last 24 to 48 hours, I'm gonna wait for the dishes for the next day. Alrighty, biscuits, I am gonna stick these in the dishwasher. I'm just washing up some wine glasses. We can knock on the dishwasher, and I'm gonna sign off for the morning. Okay, it's my evening, but your morning. I will see you in the next vlog. Hey, let me know in the comments, what would you love to see? So normally, not always, but normally I do Sundays are for cleaning, and Tuesdays are one of my get to know me, my story times, or my game show vlogs that I do. And I would love to know, what would you like to see for the Tuesday videos? I would like to try and start doing more regular Tuesday videos. With everything that I've had going on, it's kind of, hard to fit that in, but I'm trying to do that because I'd like to give you lovely biscuits more fun stuff to see because we're all home so much right now. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see on Tuesdays for game shows or story times, what would entertain you. If you are looking for more videos between my Sunday posts, because I've gotten quite a number of messages the last 2 weeks, I would say last 2 weeks, about that. I post 3 days a week over on my main channel. I post Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays over there. And as always, you can follow on Instagram. Oh, hey, I was talking about my own merch. It is getting sunny out now. It's getting to be nice weather this time of year. So if you are looking for a good trucker hat, good baseball cap, I sell those over in my merch shop. It's linked in the description box. It says my new merch. Oh, yeah. And I have a lot of really fun hats there that I design and create. So I'd love it if you went and checked that out. If you were looking for a comfy springtime tee or a baseball hat to just give you a little extra shade. I always love hearing from you and messaging you on Instagram when you send me photos of you guys wearing the merch. It makes me really happy. It's fun to see something that I created other people enjoying and wearing, physically. It's nice to see. I will see you in the next video. Oh man, this spoon is encrusted. What I'm going to show you, biscuit, was hiding under stuff. It's the horrifying stuff at the bottom of the sink. Oh. I will see you in the next vlog. Thank you so much for coming along and being a part of our Sundays here on our channel. See you in the next video. Hey, don't forget, thumbs up it, boom, and always hit that little bell button just so you get told whenever I come out with a new fun video for you. See you around. Oh wait, I've been doing this on my other channel too. Internet quarantine hugs. Woo.